gakwariganirwa n'umugavano Kisii County Paul Simbarati.
Lakini leo mmefungua afisi za alternative justice system hapa ambayo pia itakuwa municipal court.
Omona chebina monene Mata Koome nigo aigora enyomba yobona chebina ebikebike imenyekaine buna alternative justice system igokiaba ege 15 nemo aiga Kenya. Boigo ase enyombe iyo egotoka angena magacho a EACC ase para ekoro Kisii go chogembo na igora ekigambero kya Kisii municipality. Nigo ekoti ya Kisii municipality erachiko konya kugayana ebina bya marigiti ne chichiro. Koome nate babo igo chikoti cha etago amono gembo na chiro chichake egasi eliogo kiania ogwichurana kwebina ase kigambero kenene kya Kisii.
Working with the county to come up with the AJS suite and the AJS registries, which we are going to operate in Kisii, Ogembo, and the Tago Law Courts. All that is happening in one day.
Boigo nate babuna kera oyo mona bate obusibore bwokonyora obwene bwaye ne batali ase ekigambero gioka kolinde nonya na ase binyoro nonya na ase obokoreri bwegasi.
Justice is not only found in the courtroom, it's found in our families, in our communities, in our marketplace where we work.
Nase ogokwanirana gose ase ogokwana ni gogokeania ebina na boigo ogwetana.
That when we talk to each other, we build relationships. We were told that we in the judiciary, when we resolve disputes according to the law, we don't build relationships. We determine the law, but then people have to continue living with each other, facing each other, and we are creating generations of enemies.
Ase ebinene buna ebibwateraniri amone ebikore buna ebyogotachera inse nobotibongi nigo Koome ateba buna tibiri ebyebigambero ebike.
We have agreed under our constitution and our law, cases involving sexual gender-based violence are crimes, serious criminal cases that affect the dignity of the victim, that are crimes against humanity, even under international law. So there are no go zone for the AJS for any mediation.
Kuripoteri Getembe, Wycliffe Tyson.